Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones, comparing the Holystone HS-430, which I'll call the Holy Moly, and the Chubery Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone, or, as I like to call it, the Chubzilla. Buckle up, because this comparison is about to take off. First up, camera quality. Holy Moly comes with a 1080p camera. According to Amazon reviews, users find it takes great still photos and produces surprisingly good videos, despite some challenges with live streaming and lighting adjustments. On the other hand, Chubzilla boasts a 2K HD camera, and reviewers rave about its excellent photo and video quality. One reviewer even mentioned being able to capture every detail with remarkable clarity. So if you want to see your neighbor's dog in HD or just regular D, Chubzilla is your go-to for superior camera quality. Next, battery life. Holy Moly offers a solid 30 minutes of flight time with its 2 LiPo batteries. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, especially with the inclusion of 3 batteries. However, Chubzilla takes it a step further with its 3 upgraded batteries, offering up to 84 minutes of flight time. This extended battery life is highlighted in reviews as a major plus, allowing for longer and more enjoyable flying sessions. So if you're looking for more airtime, Chubzilla is the clear winner here. Now, let's talk portability. Holy Moly folds up compactly, fitting right in your palm. Reviewers mention its lightweight design and ease of carrying around, making it highly portable. Meanwhile, Chubzilla is also foldable and comes with a carrying case. While the case offers protection, some users find it less convenient to carry around compared to the pocket-sized Holy Moly. Thus, for on-the-go convenience, Holy Moly takes the point for being ultra-portable. Feature-wise, both of these drones are packed with impressive functionalities. Holy Moly includes high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even throw-to-go, which reviewers find very fun and easy to use, especially for beginners. Chubzilla, on the other hand, features Follow Me, optical flow positioning, and gesture selfie, which are praised for their practicality and ease of use. Reviewers enjoy the Follow Me feature, likening it to having a personal photographer. Given the unique and useful features of both drones, it's a tough call. Let's call this one a tie, as both offer plenty of exciting features. Finally, let's talk money. Holy Moly is priced at $77, which reviewers find to be a great value for its quality and features. On the other hand, Chubzilla is priced at $149. While it's more expensive, reviewers mention that its superior camera quality and extended battery life justify the price. However, if you're on a budget, Holy Moly offers excellent value without breaking the bank. Therefore, Holy Moly scores a point for being the more budget-friendly option. Overall, both drones have received positive feedback from users. Holy Moly is praised for its ease of use, good camera quality, and excellent value for beginners. However, some users noted issues with stability and live video streaming. On the other hand, Chubzilla is lauded for its superior camera quality, extended battery life, and practical features, though a few users experienced technical difficulties. Both drones have their strengths, making them suitable for different preferences and needs. So there you have it, folks. It's a tie. If you want a budget-friendly, portable drone, Holy Moly is your go-to. But if you're looking for a powerhouse with a killer camera and epic battery life, Chubzilla is your best bet. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.